How to fix TikTok not letting you log in. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type TikTok. Then click on search. Now tap on TikTok and make sure to update to the latest version. Now after updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Now scroll down. Now go to apps. Then go to app management and find TikTok. Then go to TikTok, tap on force stop and go to storage usage. Now tap on clear data and tap on delete. Now go back to the home screen. If nothing solves your issue, open up TikTok on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the question mark at the top left corner. Now tap on other. Now tap on need more help. Now tap on send a message. Now type I'm unable to log in. Now tap on send. Now scroll down and tap on submit a ticket. Now describe the issue you are facing and click on submit. I hope this should fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.